Hello, this is Opithot Hunter. Okay, this is me. I just want to show you that video that we can make caption. Okay, caption is alphabet underneath here. Yeah, but we also need to make something on top. What is the topic? Okay, what is the topic? And I will show you how. Okay, gonna be short video. What we can do, we can add stuff. All right. Okay, this is in your phone. Okay, my Samsung. We just press on this pen. Okay, and then we get that one, and then press on text. Okay, text, and we get the words coming up. Because at the background is yellow, we should use the opposite color, like purple. Yeah, and it gonna be easy to see. Okay, and I want to see what is about the rule of community. Okay, rule of community. This one is will help community, will help the audience to see. Maybe rule, we put the big one. Okay, big R, rule of community, and then we press done. Okay, and then we move it up there. Maybe too big, so we make it be like that. It's easy to read. Okay, and we save, right, and then I put it up there. Yeah, so people who watching this will know what it's about. Okay, why it's not going to be long. It's going to be show at the beginning of the video, and then disappear. Okay, and I will show you another video about how to make caption here to third. Okay, talk to you in the next video, darling. Okay,